In the control room of a small growth team, Lena watched the dashboard glow like a city at night. Every number had a pulse. Every campaign had a story. Her job was not to admire the noise, but to separate signal from distraction. The client wanted faster growth on Meta, but the account had drifted into confusion. Some ads produced clicks, some produced leads, and some only produced expensive applause from people who never bought. Lena began with the simplest question: what is the goal, and what does success actually cost? She rebuilt the account around measurable actions. Impressions were no longer treated as victory. Clicks were not confused with conversions. She tracked reach, frequency, click-through rate, cost per action, conversion rate, and return on ad spend, then compared each metric against audience, creative, placement, and time. At first, the data argued with itself. One ad had cheap clicks, but weak sales. Another had fewer clicks, but stronger intent. A third looked ordinary until Lena noticed that mobile users converted far better after watching the video to the end. The answer was hidden in plain sight, not in a single metric, but in the pattern between them. She shortened the reporting cycle from monthly to daily. That change revealed the rhythm of the account. Performance spiked after new creatives launched, then faded as fatigue set in. Frequencies climbed, costs rose, and engagement softened. The lesson was clear: winning ads were not permanent, only temporary advantages that had to be refreshed. Lena used breakdowns to test the audience story. Some segments responded to problem-focused headlines. Others preferred proof, testimonials, or direct offers. She learned that Meta rewarded relevance, but relevance changed with context. A message that worked in prospecting often failed in retargeting. An ad that looked bold on desktop could feel cramped on mobile. Then came the reversal. A campaign the team had almost cut was quietly producing the highest value customers. Its click volume was modest, and its cost per click looked unremarkable, but its conversion quality was strong. When Lena followed the full path from impression to purchase, the campaign revealed its strength. It was not attracting everyone, only the right ones. From that point on, the strategy became disciplined. Creative testing, audience segmentation, landing page review, and attribution checks ran together. Insights were documented, not guessed. Decisions were made from evidence, not excitement. The account stopped chasing vanity metrics and started buying outcomes. By the end of the quarter, the team had a clearer language for paid advertising on Meta. The dashboard was still bright, but it was no longer mysterious. It had become a map. And Lena knew that in paid media, the real advantage was not spending more. It was reading the numbers before the numbers slipped away.